Hi, I'm Anson Garcia with Verizon, and this is a three-part series demoing how you can streamline your BlueJeans video conferencing by integrating right into your Microsoft 365 tenant. Okay, let's talk about the BlueJeans Meetings for Teams. This feature integrates right into Microsoft Teams and allows users to easily add BlueJeans video conferencing personal meetings and also one-time meetings right into a Microsoft Teams channel. You can also do it in a direct chat as well. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, just a little bit of the back end here. We're in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. We're going to go over to Teams Apps. We're going to manage apps, and we want to make sure that in our org-wide settings that we have the Allow Third-Party Apps set to On. We also want to search for BlueJeans, which I have already done here. We want to click on that. We want to make sure that that's an allowed app. All right, so that basically allows it to our org, brings it into our org. And then we go a step further. We want to give permissions to particular users. So I go over to permissions policies here, and I've already made a permission policy named BlueJeans user. And then what I'm doing is allowing third-party apps, these particular third-party apps, one of them being BlueJeans, for the particular users that I give this permission policy to. And setup policy, this is a policy that allows you to auto-install particular applications. So you can see here that I have a setup policy named BlueJeans, and I'm also auto-installing the BlueJeans meeting app. And if I scroll down a little bit, I'm going to put the button exactly where my users want it. And again, the person that we're going to be using for this demo is Patrice, just like on our other videos. I'm just going to show you real quick Patrice. I'm going to go over to policies, and you can pause this if you want, but you can see I've given her the app policy for and permission policy for the policies I just showed you. So let's go on and head over to Patrice's PC. Now what's going to happen is, like I said, we're going to auto deploy this BlueJeans bot, and there it is right there, or the BlueJeans app, and it's going to automatically come up and it's going to say what we're capable of doing. So we have help, we have meet, which is the personal meeting room, we have meet with title, which is going to do your one-time meeting ID and passcode. And then we have join, where you can join a meeting ID. You can log in and log out as well. The great thing with Azure AD, BlueJeans Azure AD integration, which I showed in part 1, is we don't even have to log in. We're going to be automatically logged in here. Let's go to apps first. And then in apps, if we search for BlueJeans, we can click BlueJeans there, and then we can go ahead and add that to a team. Okay, so this is where we're going to add it to one of our teams. We can look for a team. I have a couple of teams here called Project BlueJeans. I can click in the general there, and then we'll go ahead and set up bot. And what that does is going to introduce that bot into that team channel. Okay, so we can go over it. There it is right there, and it's going to give us a clue of what we can do. So what can we do? We can type @BlueJeans to engage the bot. We can type @BlueJeans login. Now, if we're just like in part 1, if we're Azure AD or using BlueJeans for Azure AD, we're already logged in because we're logged into Microsoft Teams already. So if we type in @BlueJeans meet, that's going to bring up our personal meeting. We can also type @BlueJeans help to get some help for particular meetings. So let's start a new conversation here, and let's type @BlueJeans. I'm going to tab over, and I'm going to say help here. Let's see all the commands that we're able to do. It's going to give us that right here. All right, we can see more, and let's just start a meeting. Let's see how easy that is to do. So @BlueJeans to engage the bot, I'll tab over, and I'm just going to do my meet, which is just going to use my personal meeting room. And that's it. I can just click join meeting, and that's going to launch my meeting. Okay, we'll let that go through. What if we were in a direct chat? If we were in a direct chat with somebody like Jessica, we could type in want a meeting or something like that, right? We want to escalate to a meeting. And then we would just start our meeting. Now we can do that in the BlueJeans bot here. By clicking this, we can, again, if that was off our screen, we could just type BlueJeans meeting. Regardless, if we just start a meeting, that's going to bring up our meeting, right, which is back here. I'll just join with a browser this time. And when you join the meeting, you'll have this link right here. I can just copy that link and then paste it over to my chat, and that's going to bring that meeting right to that person. They'll be able to click that and join as a participant or a guest. So that's it. That's as easy as it is to integrate BlueJeans into your Microsoft Teams environment. So I hope this has been helpful, and thank you for watching.